TaninJDM. Today we are bringing you something special. This is a 1997 Lexus LX450, aka the Toyota Land Cruiser. And this truck is special because it is a one owner, corporate owner, so it's registered to a business, no rust, California truck with only 180,000 miles. This one's totally stock, so it hasn't been touched in any way, shape, or form. This is a legendary 1FC engine, indestructible, and overall great condition for the age. This one has the third row seating, just like the newer Land Cruisers. Back seats are in great condition. Original floor mats. Original stereo. The LX had the automatic climate control, so you could pick your temperature. The seats in the Land Cruiser of this series tended to dry out and crack, so unfortunately this one has original seats, so you'll need new covers, probably top and bottom on both sides. It's not a difficult repair, but it has to be done. Passenger side, not as bad, but with the heat in California, you just get some of this drying out. And then the dashboard has a couple cracks, again, just from the heat. Second row. And then what made the 80 series famous was the solid front axle for off-roading. And of course, no rust of any sort under here. Everything's like it was when it left the factory. Just about. Middle section, original cats, original exhaust, original muffler, side steps are all perfect. And also the rear end, rear axle, this is all good to go, no issues. Buy today, someone's gonna snap this up. It's on our site now.